Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Stripe to Go High Level in 2024. So today, we're diving into the world of online payments and exploring how to seamlessly integrate two powerful platforms, Stripe and Go High Level. By connecting these platforms, you can streamline your payments processes, accept payments online, and even manage transactions effectively. So this tutorial will guide you through the steps or process of doing that. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser that we'll use. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Here, make sure to go and simply open your Stripe account. So type stripe.com and the same open new tab, go to high or go high level, sorry. So go high level.com and hit the enter button. Make sure to log in into your both Stripe accounts, example, and Go High Level account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account on Go High Level or Stripe, you can simply just go and click on create an account in here and even and here. So, example, if you don't have an account in Stripe, you can simply go and click on start now to create a new account for yourself. So once you do so, you are ready to start the connection between Stripe and Go High Level. How? Of course, all we need to do for this tutorial, I'm using another tool called Zapier, which will establish the connection between Go High Level and Stripe. Of course, you can do it manually if you want to. You can simply obtain the Stripe API keys, access integrations settings in Go High Level, enter the Stripe API key in Go High Level, and configure the payments automation in Go High Level, and test and deploy the automation. But for me, I'll use a third app party called Zapier, or this app, as you can see, or websites, and that actually will help me connect these two together. So as example here, I'm already logged into my account. For you, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself in this page. So if you have an account by any chance, click on login and make sure to log in into your account. You can log in using Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and even SSO. Or if you don't have an account, click on sign up and you'll be able to sign up even using Google if you don't want to fill up all the information manually, which is actually boring to do it. So as example here, I'll just go and click on X, and once you're logged in into your account or just created your account, you'll find normally yourself in this page. So here, the first thing that I will do is check if they have in Zapier the apps that we are trying to connect with each other. So all I need to do is simply go to this left panel and click on apps right here. So once I do that, as you can see, I'll be taken to this page. So here, what I should be able to do, simply go to the search apps and I'll look for Go High Level. Of course, normally I'll not find it, but to connect Go High Level, we will use another app called Lead Connector. This app, it's gonna let us connect to Go High Level. It's basically the same app, so don't worry. And for Stripe, let's look for Stripe as an example and see if it's here. So as you can see, it's here. I'll just go and click on connect to both so I can connect it. Now, what I'll need to do, simply go here to this left panel and click on create. Here I'll just go and click on create zaps. So in this zaps option, as you can see, I'll find myself here so I can automate some stuff between Go High Level and Stripe. So all I need to do, as you can see, I can use this AI tool. So as example here, when I add a React G to Slack message, creates a task in Trello. So they'll show you just an example, the example of whatever you can type on this AI. So example, you can type whenever I receive something and Go High Level, maybe as an example, make a payment or create something in Stripe or something like that. Or if you don't want to use this AI tool, you can simply create everything manually. So as you can see, if you go here to trigger, maybe I'll choose the Stripe as a trigger. Maybe if I receive a new payment, so example, I'll choose this Stripe. And of course, I can even choose the event. So as example, if there's a failed payment, if there's a new customer, new invoice, new event, example, maybe if there's a failed payment, so of course you'll have to click on sign in to sign in into your account. So once you click on sign in here, make sure to go and sign in into that account, click on continue, of course, and follow the steps of logging in into your account. Then you'll be able to go here to test it out. For the action, we'll have to choose a lead connector, as we said, which will let us connect to Go High Level for free. And here I'll have to choose the action or the events that should be done once this trigger is triggered. So I'll just choose as example, once I get a failed payment in Stripe, I'll basically just go and maybe create a task or add a task. Why not? Then of course you'll have to go and sign in into your account. So once you click on sign in for like lead connector, as you can see, go to this. Once you go to it, of course, you'll be able to obtain an API key. This API key you'll have to enter it here. So basically connect to your GoHighLevel here, as you can see. And once you connect to your GoHighLevel, you will be taken to this exact location, to the exact URL, which will take you to this your settings and slash company, where you will find your API key. Simply go and copy that API key enters here. Or if you don't have one generated yet, simply generate a new one and then simply enter that API key here and click on yes continue and it will be signed in. Then of course you'll have to test the action if it's working and test it out, and then if everything is working as intended, before like publishing it, test them to ensure they are working correctly, test the trigger if it's working as intended, test the action if it's working as intended, and the events, of course you can change them if you want to change the events, and yeah, then you can click on publish at the top right corner. As you can see, they're telling me to fix your zap to publish because I'm not signed in. So once you're signed in and once you finish the test, you instead of this like a black triangle here or gray triangle, you'll find a check a button with green to see to understand that they worked as intended. Of course, if you want to use even the AI help, as you can see, it will help you build some zaps from start to finish, suggest some zap outlines, adding and replacing steps, automatically choosing accounts for steps and guidance for completing zaps. So basically, you'll be able to chat with it as you do in any other AI tool, and it will help you out doing a lot of stuff. Of course, if you want more than two zaps in the same like automation, you'll be required to add or to go and pay for a plan, because it's supported that is supported in other plans, which is paid plan, because for us we are just on the free plan on Zap. And other than that, if you want like other maybe options that are used, I don't know, if you want other options that you want to use, just two zaps, you can simply go and create unlimited, not unlimited, but you can create a large amount of zaps. As example, if you want to create for another event, maybe if you receive, as example, you want to create another like zap. When you receive like a checkout session completed, you should do another thing. So you just go and create another zap and keep this one, publish this one, and publish the other one. You'll be able to automate two stuff maybe at the same time and even more. So that's going to be it for me today. Of course, I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like down below in comments if you want me to do any other tutorial. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.